In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put products in the marketplace on Payhip. This process is straightforward, but there are a few key steps you need to follow to ensure a smooth submission and successful listing. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to list your products, but also understand the best practices for categorizing and tagging them effectively. Let's get started by editing your product. First, head over to your products page on Payhip. This is where all your existing and draft products are displayed. Take a moment to locate the product you wish to put in the marketplace. Once you've found it, click on the product to open it up for editing. This is your workspace, where you can refine details and prepare your product for the marketplace. Next, we'll focus on categorizing your product. Navigate to the Category and Tags tab. This step is crucial because it determines how your product will appear to potential buyers. Choose the category that best aligns with your product. Payhip provides a range of categories, so select the one that accurately represents what you're offering. Taking the time to carefully categorize your product helps in reaching your target audience more effectively. Now, let's move to ensure your product is eligible for submission to the marketplace. Before you proceed, make sure your store has made at least $10 in total sales. This is a baseline requirement set by Payhip to evaluate your store's activity and credibility. If you haven't reached this milestone yet, consider promoting your existing products to boost sales. Furthermore, your store must have undergone a review and received approval from Payhip. This approval process is there to maintain a high quality of products in the marketplace. Being approved signifies that your store meets the necessary standards set by Payhip and is ready to offer its products to a broader audience. If you're uncertain about the status of your store review, it's worth checking with Payhip's support team for any updates or steps you may need to complete. Once you've confirmed that these criteria are met, you can confidently submit your product for inclusion in the marketplace. Remember, the product listing process is a powerful tool to expand your reach and connect with new customers. So take the time to review and polish every detail, ensuring it's marketplace ready. By following these steps with diligence and care, you'll maximize your chance for success on Payhip's marketplace. This concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with showcasing your products. For more tips and tutorials, consider subscribing to stay updated on how to grow your online store efficiently.